Hi, I'm Evan Reinheimer. I travel all around the world using a kite to lift my camera and take unique aerial photographs, but today it's Halloween, and I'm here in Delray Beach, Florida to fly some really cool Halloween-themed kites. I had a few of these flo-tail kites left over from another project I did, and I was just thinking the other day about how they kind of look like ghosts when they're flying up in the air, so I thought it would be kind of funny to draw some ghost faces on them. So using a permanent marker, I drew some ghost faces on two of the kites. These kites are called flo-tail kites, and they're made by HQ Kites. It's a pretty simple delta kite made of ripstop nylon, and then sewn to the back of the delta kite are these like long silk tails, and they look great just plain, and I think they're gonna look even better with ghost faces on them. I also brought my new skeleton kite with me, which maybe you saw in my previous video, because I think the skeleton combined with the two ghost kites is gonna look really sweet.